Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make a sunset colored Milky Way tumbler. I just noticed that there's a dent in this cup. I've never had that happen before, but that shouldn't be a problem. It's going to be covered up with glitter and epoxy, so we'll see how that goes. But these are the colors I'm going to be using: Pinkle, Sun Coral, and My Only Sunshine, all from the glitter guy. So I have already sanded this cup. Now I'm going to go spray paint it with, I'm not really sure what colors I have, but if I have, a yellow, an orange, or a pink, I'm just going to put that on the cup kind of in diagonal lines. If I don't have one of those colors, I'll see what I have. I don't know. This is what I ended up with. The orange that I have is like a fluorescent orange, and it kind of goes on a little bit see-through. So the rest is like you can hardly tell, but it's a white and a light pink. So I probably could have just chosen one of those colors because they look so similar on the cup next to the orange. I might go over the orange one more time once this dries, or I might not. I don't know. I didn't really love the coverage I got, especially on the orange glitter or the pink glitter. So what I just did was I sprayed the whole cup with my clear spray paint, which I do every single time I do any glitter. But once I sprayed it, I brought it in here, put it on the turner, and then added a little bit more glitter to those areas. And I like it a lot better. So as you can see, comparing right after I epoxied and comparing it to now, that there's better coverage of the glitter, and you can't really see underneath it quite so much. And the end result of this cup is going to have like white paint lines on it. Okay, here it is. So this cup could be finished right now, or it could just be ready for a name or a decal to be put on it. So right now I'm undecided if I'm gonna do anything on it. Maybe someone will buy it and then I'll add their name to it. We'll just see what happens. I should have added a little bit more paint the first time around with doing the white epoxy lines on here. But yeah, I just didn't really like how see-through it was. So on the next time that I epoxied, I added more white paint. Thanks for watching.